Hello, my name is Carly. This is a recording for the data analytics of our company along with everybody else in the class's company for a simulation project we did throughout the semester. This is for class GEB 4890, which is Strategic Management and Decision Making. So here on the first sheet that we have is going to be the contribution margin. As you can see here, this is my group's team. It looks like we had our highest contribution margin in round 4, and then we had our lowest actually in round 6, which was a 2.6. And then it looks like Chester had the overall highest contribution margin each round. It looks like Chester in the 6th round had a 0.53. In the 5th round had a 0.52, and in the 4th round had a 0.50. On the next sheet, we have our profit, which just shows the amount of profit that each company made during the rounds. Here is my group's team. So it looks like in round 5, our profit was $11,745. In round 6, it was $17,767. And then here in round 4, which was our lowest, it was $6,729. It does look like Chester was also the company that had the highest profit in each round. In round 5, they had $21,270. In round 6, it was $26,864. So it does look here as if round 6 they made their most profit. And then in round 4, they had their lowest, which was $11,847. On the next sheet, we do have our sales. So this is just going to show the amount of sales that we had per team per round. So it does look here, this is our team, which was Team Harper. We had our highest amount of sales in round 6, which came in at $251,692. And then our lowest sales was in round 4 with $186,562. However, when it came to the sales, Chester did not do so well in each round, but it does look like Erie just beat us a little bit in round 6 with $264,030. And then in round 5, they had $223,890. And then in round 4, it was $208,905. And then here is the dashboard that I created. It just shows all the sheets. So over here, we do have our sales tab. So if you just click up here where it has the names, so if you want to see round 4, you can just click on the blue and it'll show each team where they were at with round 4. And for round 5, it'll show up with the green tabs. And then round 6 will show up as yellow. Over here, we do have the contribution margin. So you can see here where each team was in each round. So like I said, here in round 4, it looks like we did have our highest contribution margin at a 0.29. And then we had a 0.27 and then a 0.26. And then over here, you do see the profit chart that I created. Down here are the categories of the different companies with their different colors. And as you can see, here is our company. And if you just hover over it, it will show you the amount of profit that we did make each round. Thank you so much, and you have a great day.